This is my best friend, Shannon. And I actually learned a lot of my makeup techniques over the years from Shannon. So it's really fun to be able to have her here.
Very excited. This is like a surreal moment right now.
I'm gonna use this to do a glowy beat. This is how I've been doing my makeup for the past maybe year. I have vitiligo, as you guys know, and my skin changes a lot. And so I'm always relearning how to do my makeup. And so this is currently how I do my makeup. Shannon is gonna do a really nice, soft beats, more matte, because she's a beat girl.
Yeah,
and
I love
so
to beat the girl.
I'm gonna use the Isle Glow Face Moisturizer SPF 45, which is my go-to. It's really your go-to too.
Yeah, that's my favorite.
And Shannon's gonna use this, the Mineral Mobe Drops SPF 30 to get her skin nice and sheer glow, but still protected from the sun every single day. Never skip your SPF.
The Mobe Mineralizer. I hate the white cast, so you guys are gonna see how it just melts down into the skin, and it's very, very important to always protect your skin. Doesn't matter what skin color you are, everyone has to wear sunscreen.
I know that's right. You're your best friend.
Yeah,
Tell
best friend.
them.
Yeah, okay, okay. Okay, hold on, let's do this. Okay, are you guys ready for the magic?
Ready for the melts?
Okay. Ready for the melt?
Whoa! Oh!
Look at that, 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 look at that. Look at that. Look at that, look at that. Skin. Thank you, child. Right in the skin. Look at that.
While she rubs that in, I'm gonna get started with my Isle Glow.
Yes.
This is SPF 45.
Oh yes, look at that, it's gone.
And so I love this product because it looks like it's kind of tinted, but it's not really. It has a mineral pearl that leaves a beautiful island glow sheen to your skin. So you're gonna see on my skin now. So as you can see, it goes on and you think it's tinted. Watch when you rub it in now. Luminescent, lit from within. Woo! Put it on your neck. So then I go in with my foundation. Currently I use a cream foundation because I feel like it gives a really natural skin-like look. I just put that on my brown skin just to even out any dark marks, any hyperpigmentation. I'm kind of messy with it. For me, it was really important, one, when I was creating my SPF brand to pay homage to my heritage, I wanted to use the ingredients that my family used on my skin. We have sea moss, which is skin strengthening. It strengthens your skin barrier. Oh my gosh, tongue twister. We have aloe vera, which soothes the skin. My grandmother used to cut aloe vera straight from the bush and rub it onto my skin back in Jamaica. All my family, we all use all these ingredients in Jamaica. And so it was really important to me to bottle that up and put that island glow, but that island benefit as well into my SPF.
I'm an esthetician, and I actually have a couple of clients that have vitiligo as well.
I don't tan. I never tan. I try not to be out in the sun too often, but when I am, and I'm an island girl, I like to be on the beach. I just don't lay out, but I do like to sit in the shade. I do like to reapply my SPF. I want to make sure that the SPF that I'm using is something that I want to wear and is going to make me look good. So I feel like that's the first step, finding an SPF that you want to wear, because then you will wear it. My two favorite ways to reapply are stick or mist. And so we have our SPF stick. And I like to, especially when I have a natural makeup, I feel like it wears easy over makeup. I either wear it by itself or I wear it underneath my makeup. I want to try that. As a kid, I just remember the experience of getting slathered SPF on by my dad's hands being like the worst. Not only was his hands rough and it hurt, I looked like a ghost. I always hated the SPF experience. I always understood though how important it was. When I got older and I started modeling, I had this shoot in the Bahamas and they didn't want me to apply or reapply SPF throughout the day because it didn't look good. My skin was really inflamed, it peeled, and then my vitiligo started freckling a lot, and so it changed not just like with sun damage, but it physically changed how I looked. And I just thought to myself, no one should have to sacrifice the health of wearing SPF for the beauty. And I wanted to combine those two worlds together and put, beautiful skincare into SPF that looked beautiful on all skin tones, types, and conditions. It would make sense to me. And so we do it when we do my nails, and I've been seeing it go viral a lot more lately, but I mean, it's always better to be more cautious, I think. And prevention is always better than a cure. Confidence is not a destination, it's a choice. Every day you have to make that choice. Not every day you're going to feel confident.
Yeah.
That's okay. And when you look at people who, for example, if you look to me for confidence, also understand that I don't feel confident every single day. I make the choice as well. You have to have that realization that nobody is confident every single day. I feel like that makes it easier. Like on those days when you feel off, it's like, this is normal, it's okay.
Yeah.
I don't have to feel like popping every single day, but I am popping regardless.
Right.
You get a phone call. You got 5 minutes to get out the house. Sis, what are your products
Not girl,
on?
not girl. Listen, this is it right here. It's gonna be this. It's gonna be brows. It's gonna be I'll glow and a little bit of blush. A little bit of blush. Yeah. I feel like that just perks the face up. Thank you guys so much. Those questions were incredible. I wish we had more time. We need to figure out another time to do this again because this was so much fun.
This is.
You guys are like family now.
I'm coming next time.
Yeah.
Can I join?